So insert geometrical set. Vertical wall 1. Under that I would like to create this surface. So activate the scan, select the scan, then select the portion where you wanted to extrude the surface. So actually this is it's not complicated. So reverse engineering uh, domain or itself it's easy. So because we need not to worry about the manufacturing feasibility of the component, we need to consider, but this part is already manufactured. So we are doing in the reverse way, that is from the existing part to the CAD data. Then okay. So here instead of this basic surface recognition, so I would like to use the power fit. Select this, then apply. Okay. So here I think again, so to resize the surface, so to extend, so we need to use another command, that is extrapolate. I would like to extend the surface. Right click and then choose a create boundary, select any one boundary, then okay, and maybe you can select this support. So how much you wanted to extend, either 10 or 15, it depends. And here a type of continuity. So I would like to keep the tangency because in reverse engineering methodology, tangent continuity is good enough. So we can, if you want to like improve the quality, you can also change it to curvature continuity. Okay, you can activate complete scan, activate all. Okay.